met. Some of you I've worked with in the past, some of you I've had the opportunity to work with. So I know there are many in this room that I have seen display leadership characteristics. But that brings up the question, what is a leader? What is leadership? And if you went to a leadership conference and you asked 50 different people at that leadership conference to define leadership, values. Now, Toastmasters has 4 core values: integrity, respect, service, and excellence. Worthwhile goal, following an agreed upon set of values, and starting with your heart. Because if you do that, if you choose to express your leadership in that manner, I cannot promise you that you will always be right. But you will never be wrong. Thank you.
For Pathways, because as you go through the program, you're going to have more questions. Send all your emails to there, and one of the Pathways team will contact you and will answer anything you have. That is my personal phone number. I'm happy to take calls anytime that you want to call me. You can call me. So let's look at Pathways at a glance here. It is the Pathways is the Toastmasters educational program. That's how you.
So Universal and West Kendall will get it because obviously I'm a Marine, and if you know the stories about Marines, we can't hire than 5, and we use crayons. So the mistake is mine.
But how many people facilitated and presented?
Listen, that wasn't. Now you're mixing me up.